Hi, I am Soumya from Bar and Bench, and today I am here to discuss a fantasy fiction novel written by Gautam Bhatia, The Wall. This book tells us a story of Mithila and a group of rebels fighting against a supernatural wall that surrounds their city. But as the story unfolds, we see that the real conflict is with their society and their oppressive political systems. The setting of the book, a city called Summer, serves as a metaphor for exploring themes of democracy, dissent, and discrimination. Bhatia's background as a lawyer is evident in the way he tackles these complex issues and delves into the history of the fictitious land. One of the standout elements of The Wall is the portrayal of democracy in its purest form and the flaw that comes with it. Bhatia raises thought-provoking questions about the nature and utility of democracy and the suppression of dissent by the state. The book also touches on the issue of free speech and the principles that are open to disagreement, as well as exploring the role of religion and its impact on the society. The LGBTQ in the book is given a significant presence, going beyond the token presence. In addition to its social commentary, The Wall excels in its critique of our own society and the way in which it falls short. Bhatia shows us that despite imperfection of democracy, there can still be conscious leaders and a functioning system of checks and balances. Students of law and political science will particularly enjoy the attention to detail in the legal procedure depicted in the book. While there may be some lengthy explanation of legal provisions, but they are ultimately engaging and add depth to the story. Some questions one might have after reading The Wall include: how did Summer come to be, and what is the purpose of the wall enclosing the city? What is the role of religion in Summer society and the government? How does the caste-like system of circles and surnames in Summer impact the distribution of power and resources within the city? What are the implications of living in a closed, pre-industrial society for the development and advancement of technology and culture in Summer? How do the various conflicts and controversies within Summer, such as crop failures, religious schisms, and elite discontent, shape the course of the story? What is the significant battles of ideas and competing theory on Summer's past and future arrangement? How do the legal structures and mechanisms of check and balances in Summer compare to those in contemporary societies? And finally, what is the significance of wall as a metaphor in the context of book's themes and ideas? While the narrative structure may stumble at times, Bhatia ultimately delivers a satisfying ending and leaves us with a cliffhanger. Overall, The Wall is well-crafted and thought-provoking read that blends fantasy and social commentary. To talk a little about the author, Gautam Bhatia is a lawyer and writer from India. He received his LLB from National Law School of India University in 2011 and went on to complete BCL and MPhil from Balliol College in University of Oxford, where he was a Rhodes Scholar. Bhatia later received an LLM from Yale University, specializing in constitutional law. He is currently a doctoral scholar at the University of Oxford, where he successfully defended his thesis on November 2021. Bhatia is author of two books, Offend, Shock and Disturb, Free Speech under Indian Constitution and Transformative Constitution. His work focuses on the issue of liberty, autonomy, equality and anti-subordination, and he advocates the realm of constitutional morality to evaluate the restriction of free speech. Thank you for watching this video. To learn about other legal developments, do visit our website. Link is in the description box. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel Bar and Bench.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.